What is up, guys? Today we will have a review of the updated One UI 7 which just came to Galaxy S23 Ultra here, based on Android 15. Here is the current version, the full name of it, and security patch level from April 1st, 2025. So finally One UI 7.0 arrived here on this phone. It is May 2025, so let's have a review. Let me just show you what are the main changes and what you should pay attention for. Okay, basically let's start from the settings itself, go one by one. Okay, let's start from the most important. Here is a new bar on the top available, looks like Apple style actually, but it's still different. You have like two types of panels now, it's separate or together, and if it's together it will be like style old as before. Let me just show you how it looks like. This is the old one, so you see, very regular, you can keep it from both sides. You just open this tile here, and it can be another way. Okay, that's actually how it looks like, old style, and when you swipe down you have this new style, and click on the panel settings and switch to separate one. Also, you can have quick panel from left side. For example, when you swipe from left, you got the quick panel. Let me show you. Swipe from left, like there's a quick panel, swipe from right, notification, and vice versa, like regular one. Also, you can show the multi-SIM information, you can show when quick panel expanded or do not show. Also, the settings you can see here, so the quick settings is similar as before. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are big now. Also, the brightness and volume is separated here, so you can also turn on, turn off volume, do not disturb mode. Media playback will be available here, like music and videos, for example, other audio. And actually, what you will see here is like panels for your SIM card, smart view, modes, nearby devices, smart sync. So this can be moved left or top or bottom, but cannot be removed. Actually, this can be edited. Alright, that's how it looks like, the new notification center. So here will be all your notification from left side. Then let's go to the settings and go one by one, as I mentioned to you. So here we have Wi-Fi. On Wi-Fi it's actually nothing special. Wi-Fi Direct, Intelligent Wi-Fi, it's actually same as was before. The text-to-speech network, auto hotspot connection, and the intelligent Wi-Fi version. Although we've got Wi-Fi colon here, so you can select Wi-Fi call prefer or mobile network prefer. Before, this menu was not available, now it's available here, so you can easily manage it. Bluetooth, so Bluetooth settings are same as before. You can have the music share, Bluetooth control history, block pairing request, Bluetooth scan history available as well. NFC and contactless payment, so that's how this is called now, and default wallet you can select here. Also, non-payment NFC services are available. Actually, it's nothing special, just default non-payment NFC service providers. Ultra-wideband depends on your region or country. SIM manager will not open. Mobile network as well. This is nothing special. More connection. Nearby device scanning here available. So it will scan for nearby device and let you know if some nearby device will be available. Private DNS, VPN, Ethernet, and auto-update system configuration. So actually this was available before, now they made it separately, that it will be always updating the new network configuration. Alright, that's connections, connected devices. So here they have again updated the menu, and in general the menu was updated, as you see, with more new and nicer icons. So quick share, music share is available as well, so you can let nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker. So on this phone, turn on music share, and you should both connect it to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Auto switch bots, so if you have connected bots, you can auto switch them between your devices. On text on other device, so you can also activate this feature, and on other devices you can have and receive the calls and messages. Continue on other device, So actually you can continue working on other device that sign in with your Samsung account. So you have Wi-Fi networks, camera continuity, copy and paste, and continuous apps. I don't have others, so all this camera share, storage share is similar. You can share those information, those data between your devices. Link to Windows, so actually DeX is not operating anymore, starting from One UI 7. What you can do now is enjoy your calls, text messages and more from your computer, so they started to develop this link to Windows more. DeX is in the past not operating on One UI 7 unfortunately, but it was a really good idea to continue develop it, but they just stop it and switch to the link to Windows. So it can allow you to use the mouse in different devices and very easily to manage them. Okay, they actually written that Samsung DeXs should be working, but I tried on my laptop, at my laptop saying that One UI 7 devices are not supported, please connect the Windows, so let's check it out later. Maybe only for Windows it doesn't work, but for monitor and TV it will continue working, but with Windows it doesn't anymore. Smart View, so here you can connect your devices using Smart View and share your screen. Galaxy wearable here as well, so just my watch is open. Smart Things, I don't use it, so you can download it. Android Auto I don't use as well, but actually it's available in connected devices settings now. Galaxy Eye, call assistant, writing assistant, and interpreter were just basically updated, so actually here is only some minor correction. In writing assistance, you see what it can do: grammar, spelling suggestion, change the writing style, create summaries, organize the text into bulletin points and table. So you have this chat translation here. Entrepreneur here provide you with direct translation from your device. Transcript assist, so it's convert voice and call recordings into text, although you have this note assistant that summarize, spell check, translate the text and more other functions. Photo assistants actually reimagine images by moving or removing people, objects, creating portraits, etc. Drawing assistants available as well, and you can select to process data only on the device. It's related to Galaxy Eye. Moreover, I will go to next one by one, but as for now, let me show you the main changes that are available for this device. They are actually shown here. If you click on software information, then last update. So actually what they promote, what's new here, and size is actually 5 GB. You can open all the changes and see what's new. So Galaxy Eye, you can write like a pro, so it helps you to write in tasks by tapping 4-star icon. Actually, you can correct the spelling, grammar, what I mentioned before, transcribe and summarize recording calls, effortless create images in drawing assistant, read web pages, highlight aloud, so currently it can read the articles on website, get useful suggestion in AI select, also available, and quick access AI features, that is also important. Now you can swipe inward from the edges from the screen to open the AI features. And finally, you can set up, if you hold the power button, it will be available the Gemini. That's also great. Instantly access useful information. So as I just mentioned, Gemini is opening, multitasking with one ask. Google Gemini is now seamless integrated with Samsung apps. All this calendar, notes, reminder will work with the Gemini. Circle, find and hear it. So basically circle to search allows you to search anything on the screen and get information faster with AI overviews. Bold and new look, so visual enhancement, I think you already noticed them. Although reimagine the home screen here, so fresh new app icons will look great on your home screen. Simplified home screen grid, although available, that has a new standard grid layouts. Improve home screen landscape view, also it helps you to have the home screen and use it better. Customize your app and widget style. Now you can do it. You can adjust the size of app icons and choose whether or not to show the text labels. Lock screen and always on display, so stay on top of important task in the now bar. So actually I already showed you something. Make your clock look just the way you like it. Also you can customize your clock. More widgets and shortcuts available. Quick panel notification already showed to you. Separate notification, quick panel, customize your quick panel, live notifications that's actually showing near your camera. New notification layout as well available, that they are grouped and using the cards. New camera layout, mode selection improvement, enhanced zoom control available, upgraded filter experience, all available in camera app, which I will cover after this showing you the updated details. Pro modes are updated, new zoom control available, microphone control in Pro video mode, save exposure settings. Although you have the lineup perfect shots, so actually grid lines can be available turn on, turn off separately from the horizontal level. Enjoy your special moments. Actually, it's freeform collages, edit collages in stories, put the best face forward, motion photos, effects, so basically related to gallery. Video edit, easily undo your edits, animate your videos, so it's very simple. Manage your health. Mindfulness features available in Samsung Health from now on, and new Samsung Health badges, so just again just minor correction. Boost your productivity, so now you will have preview for minimized apps, group your alarms, keep all your alarms at the same volume. Actually I use it. Enhance file selection, it's easier to pick the file from different apps. Advanced option for routines, also routines are more, let's say, AI friendly, and logic is used here. Plan tasks and events, so you can easily reschedule calendar events, show separate calendars on widget, count down the days to an important event, move event from one calendar to another, so actually all this can be available in widgets. More options for repeating the reminder, enhance quick add menu, and manage your complete reminders. You see how many is here left? Not that much, so let's briefly cover it. Check the security status of your device, stay safe from security threats, available auto blocker. Better in charging, more options for power saving available. You can customize it more in power mode, more control over battery protection. Now you can adjust the maximum charging level between 80 and 95. New charging effects here. When you plug in the charger, the charging confirmation is smaller, and it also can appear at the bottom of the screen instead of the middle, so you will also see it. I will show you later. Access to anyone, zoom in, zoom out just with 2 fingers. In assistant menu as well. Enhance screen control and customize your touch interaction, so you can tests are available for touch and hold delay. And even more improves, watch videos again. In video player, a button will appear to watch it again. Improve contacts list, quickly add boarding passes to Samsung Wallet, activity forecast available, custom place labels, boost your gaming, game booster in game has been redesigned, set performance for each games, end of support for downloading Edges panel, so Edge panel cannot be downloaded from Galaxy Store in One UI 7, so if they're already downloaded you can continue to use them. So you see the list is really huge here, and actually it's working quite well. But anyway, let's move on with our menu here. So we just stop on Galaxy Eye, so let's cover all the points, then I will show you the camera, I will show you all the other features that I just mentioned to you. Alright, let's move on here. So basically Galaxy Eye we covered, modes and routines, so here it's not that special, just some additional discover tab is open, automate the everyday with routines and various situations. So going to work, heading home, navigate home, etc. So all can be adjusted for abroad, for auto rotate, draw without interruption, etc. etc. Many things can be adjusted here in each mode. Sound and vibration, so here basically I don't see that much changes. Sound quality and effect folder right now, it's separate folder. Vibration intensity, system vibration, all the others I guess it was available before, so I will not pay that much attention. Notification, lock screen notification, status bar, notification pop-up style, do not disturb mode available, so actually not that much. For advanced settings, you see what's available here for now. Display, so here we have light dark mode settings, adaptive brightness, motion smoothness available, adaptive and standard, so just nice animation here changed, but in general all the other settings are similar. Circle to search, accidental touch prevention, show charging animation, information, screen saver also can be selected. Actually, for the charging animation, let me show you how it looks like. I'll take the power bank here and you can see it how it looks like. I'm connecting the charging. That's how it looks like now. You see quite nice animation available. Actually looks good, super fast charging, 27%, and it's charging, so that's how the always on display looks like. Also now the charging indicator and in general the batteries indicator is here, even when I disconnect the charger. Okay, now look how it looks on the lock screen, and let's disconnect it. On the always on, I think it will be back to the lock screen. Okay, always on, actually it's same here. Okay, let me disconnect it and let's move on. Battery, so as mentioned before, here is have power saving, battery protection here, so it can be selected as well and adjusted. Background usage limit, okay, was available before. Charging setting, fast charging, fast wireless charging, show charge information, show battery percentage, so it can be enable or disable, and actually as you see battery indicator is also different. Battery information available, auto dim screen when the battery is lower than 5%, and actually that's pretty much it for battery. Wallpaper and style, so here again maybe it adjusted, but in general it's just different look. Themes, so Galaxy Themes app looks similar as before, and you can select all the settings here for themes. Home screen, so here is again redesign, app label can be enable, disable, and widget label also can be available. Home screen only, home and app screens, home screen grid, actually this is a layout, so it can be like this or like this. Add media page, so here is only Google Discovery available for now. Lock home screen layout, so cannot be adjusted, let's lock it for now. Hide apps on home screen, swipe down for notification panel, search from home, return to landscape mode. App icons badge available here. And for home screen, actually that's it. Lock screen and do not disturb. So here we have the security settings and always on display. And here we have show navigation bar. It can be enabled and disabled here. So I show it, okay, show lock screen clock, let's remove, I will just show the basic ones, that's how it looks like. And when to show, it can be schedule, always, auto for new notification, tap to show, so just different modes, depends on your preferences. Contact information can be shown on, and show unlock transition effect. Here we go. This transition effect, you see, looks nice actually, I like this effect. I guess I will keep it like this. Okay, now it's again in a dark mode. Let me disable the dark mode. Actually the search also looks much better, you see here. For example, dark mode can be changed even without opening the settings. Let's switch to light for now. Lock screen, and okay, for this navigation bar actually you can have sports from Google, media player, maps, and all the others. That's what the navigation bar supported here, and the current mode will be available as well. Security and lock screen, okay, security lock screen I will not touch for now, although moving back to the home screen, so it's also customizable here, of course. Let me open it like this with Face ID. Okay, here is the customizations that you can have. So you can change the clock style. You see so many fonts available and styles, new styles available as well, as you see here. That's new style. For example, this style, both of them available. You can have both watches here, and depends on your clock, the always on will be. Shows the weather information, so you can show it here. Show date about the clock, also can be adjusted. Widgets available, you see here a bit more widgets now available for battery, for weather, for instance, and those two buttons can be changed and replaced. That's actually how the customization looks like. Let's go back to the settings. So security and privacy, I think nothing special is here. Location, although same, not that interesting. Safety and emergency, also some information may be adjusted, but very minor. Account and backup, Google I will not touch. Advanced features, so we have labs, multi-window for all apps, dark mode, apps, YouTube, S Pen, so air command, actually just shortcuts, all just a bit optimized. Again, added some nice animation, more S Pen settings, warn if S Pen is left behind, S Pen unlock, press the pen to unlock your phone, allow multiply S Pens, keep S Pen connected, and sounds vibration, just nothing special here. Game booster settings, balance, customization, game smoothness. Okay, I don't really use game booster. Dual messengers here available, so you can add the second app. Video brightness, normal bright. Okay, that's actually multi-window here. Swipe for split screen, they just showing how to do it. And swipe for pop-up screen. Motion gesture, so here all the motion and gesture combined in one app. With incoming call and alarm by putting your hands over the screen. Okay, I don't need it. Alert when phone picked up. Double tap to turn off the screen, to turn on the screen. Okay, side button. So double press is for camera. And long press for Google Assistant. Actually now it's Gemini. Quite convenient. One hand mode, screenshot and screen recording settings here. So actually all the other settings that are not in those settings are in advanced features. So I don't think they call it like this, but okay, it doesn't matter. Digital well-being. Also change animation a bit. Device care. Optimize now. Scan protection. So nothing special. Software update. Maintain mode, performance profile, standard or even light available, protect battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. Apps, so here just the apps, then general management, some general settings, and accessibility also redesigned a bit, but works quite normal. Okay, all the others, tips and user guides. So here I want to pay your attention. What's new again? Galaxy I. So you make complex tasks simple with Gemini. You can listen to web page summaries here. Use writing assist to help you write and edit. So it's again One UI 7 main features highlight. Get the right option at your fingerprint. So you can use this feature as well. Draw new things into your image. So you can sketch it and it will create an image. So this is actually quite nice feature. Unleash the artist inside you, create unique portraits, translate calls and more apps. So basically Google Meet, WhatsApp and more supported for call translation. Bring your phone to life with live effects, circle to search, translate phone calls in real time, translate while chatting, translate conversation, not smarter, not harder, note assistant, summarize and translate your recordings, reimagine pictures. So actually we covered all the One UI 7. Here also they have it, customize your apps and widget style. So let's try it out. I think we need to unlock it first because I lock it. And let's check the widgets. For example, screen time. So you can adjust it easily, customize it. You see the widget is changing, adding more information here, for example, create stack, battery, for example, this. Okay, so you can just switch the widgets here. That is actually quite interesting and looking really nice. Also, you can create the folders. For example, let's move education folder and let's enlarge it, and it looks like this. So you can click directly to the app in this folder. That is also looks interesting to me. What else? Of course, some new widgets available for some apps. Okay, photos, calendar, battery, Chrome, clock, for example. You can select your clock here. You can adjust alarm. Actually, this is just normal one, select alarm, but you see the widgets are really adjustable here and looking really interesting. Folders bigger, stay on top. This is the most interesting thing that I will show you now. Group your alarm. So I don't know, I don't use this group alarm. Create freeform collage, easily connect to nearby devices. Also don't use it, use a phone as a PC webcam. So this is interesting, works with Galaxy Book, but I don't have one. So storage share, access files from your PC, customize your app and widget. Okay, so actually you saw the main advantages and main features of One UI 7. Actually, you saw all of them, some of them quite interesting, some no. So let's turn on the music. For example, this one, I will turn it on without sound, not to do the copyrights. You see here on top, now it's like floating, so you can always open it, you can always like change the music, and it's always will be there. Same on a main screen, you see here, if you have several at the same time, so you can adjust them quite easily, but I have only one. Also, again, when you touch it, it's full screen opening. And when it's lock screen, it's also on always on. You see it can be controlled and customized here. So actually this is one of the main features that is available in this update, is this floating windows. Also, of course, all the apps a bit redesigned. I will not go through all of them, but camera is the most interesting one. So that's how it looks like now. Actually, it has a control between 200, 500 and 12 megapixel. Flash drive is keep here, motion photos and filters. That's what available. Also, this focus enhancer available, and you can switch between cameras quite easily. Also, you have 30 and 100. Again, if you swipe it, it will be the same logic. Let's keep it 1, for example, here. And all the main settings are available here now. So as you see them, it's like full settings. On the top is only top priority settings. Also for videos, it's same logic. You see what you can adjust here, and all the other settings are available from here. More, that's all the modes available. You can edit them and put up to your priority. Also, it can be Bixby. Okay, Bixby we don't need. Portrait photo as well. So main settings will be always available here, and the other settings will be available in this folder. From the settings itself, it's actually very similar. Nothing really special. Technology optimization was available before, scan documents and watermark and all the others, they're already available before. So basically, I will not pay that much attention to it, but it has it here. So basically, that's the main changes, like redesign and a bit logic adjust for camera. All the other apps, like stock apps, like notes, adjusted voice recorder, is minor changes actually that are improve the usability of those apps. And actually that's basically it for this update. I suggest you to update to this latest version, One UI 7. It's working well, operating well, and I really like it. I really like this update, and finally we get it on Galaxy S23 Ultra. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.